my dear crafter, it's time for Halloween. And if you're doing a craft fair before Halloween, or if you're gifting your friends and decorating your home, this collection is amazing. It's by KS Craft. We have gift bags, we have bows, we have clips, we have tons of decoration pieces, and I'll show you every single one of them. So without further ado, let's look at KS Craft collection, which I will have, of course, the link below to everything. And for those of you who are members, just know that the early access this week is the gift box. Look at this treat box that's beautiful, part of the collection that I'm going to show you next. But this is already available for you, the tutorial, the link to the die set and everything else. So if you want to join, just click on join for early access videos and exclusive tutorials. So we're beginning by looking at bows, the cutest bows you'll ever see. We have two sizes, so these are die sets that put together bows, and let me show you what they look like because they're very, very unique. So I'll show you a large. The difference here is just the size. So here is the large, guys, look at this. With this cute flying ghost here with the little bow on his head. Isn't this the cutest bow ever? And you see that embellishing one at the end. I'll show you the treat bags. And here's the little one. So a little bit of a difference in terms of size, not much, but this is the little one, and I embellished with the little button here. That's actually a sticker, and another button here. But I just adore this little ghost here. Isn't this so cute? So these are the bows. Now let's look at the other die set, which puts together, they become clips. So paper clips. One has a skull, and I'll show you. I have one of each. We have one with the bat and one again with a little ghost. Very good size, and let me show you what they look like. So here is the one with the bat. Here is the skull. I love the skull. And of course, the little ghost. So that's what it is. Beautiful embellishments for your notebooks, for bookmarks. They can actually be bookmarks, very nice bookmarks for anything you make for Halloween. And you can even just use the embellishment itself. Just cut this out and don't use the clip, but you have three beautiful, great embellishments for Halloween. So these are the clips, and I put some ink of Stella to give it a shimmer. So these are the clips. Now let's move on. And now just look at these two amazing bows. Aren't these so exquisite? I just fell in love with these. And when you have that and you have two sizes, these are the die sets. They have this little face here that I used in the big one underneath the button, see? But guys, look at how beautiful this is. You don't need much more than this to decorate your boxes, your treat bags, and you see me using one of them in my treat bag at the end. So they come in two sizes, another bow, and another great option for your Halloween decoration. And now we have some more images, all part of KS Craft collection. This is the July release. Again, I decided to change the background because I thought the white was not working. But look at this beautiful collection here. And of course, I'll have one of each to show you. Love my crow because I love crows. But all you need are these, guys, to make wonderful gifts this Halloween. So look at these, and these actually, they go together with another die set that I'm showing you next. And let me just give you an idea of what you can make. Look at this, guys. Isn't this amazing? And as you can see, we have some jump rings. Let me show you here. Let me get this little ghost. We have some jump rings on the top. This is not part of this die set because it's another one that I'm showing you right now. I didn't even break it apart. Let me just move this away, because you need to understand what this is and how you can actually work with this. Not only this, guys, this is wonderful because anything you have, even the ephemera that you have, you can use this. These are basically chains. Like you can see here, we have some jump rings. These are the jump rings that you use on the top, see? And then you can turn anything you have into a charm. So let me show you some here that I made. Everything here that I had, I turned into a charm because I just added the jump ring on the back. How great is that? I think this is one of the most creative things I've seen in a long time. So you have the jump rings that you can use on ephemera, you can use on so many different options. See, this is all from this. And you also have some hooks that you can use, and I'll show you at the end how you can use these chains and how you can use these different hooks here and all of this. But let me show you now what they look like after you cut it. See, they are basically, these are chains in different sizes. So here's one, here's two. Let me just put this together. I think I'll just show you here. Yeah, so we have this size here, another size, and a little one. And then you have these things that look like hooks. And you see this, I'm sure you have some of these at home that are real, and it makes it look real. So basically, let me show you. So we have this hook here. See what they look like? Let me show you. And then you can actually attach to your chain. How cool is that? And then of course use one of these jump rings and attach it to this, so everything becomes basically a charm in many different ways. And you have this one here too that you can just pull it in like this. And we have, I haven't glued this yet, but I want to show you how you use this. See, so then you just glue this on top and you close it up. This is so tiny that it's hard to show. But if you know the real thing, you know what it looks like. So this would be glued right here on top. See? How cool is that? So you can use this chain, different sizes, in every project you have. It can be a gift bag, a box, anything you want. So I think this is one of the most creative things I've seen. Let me show you these two hooks here. See how cool they are? And they're open, and you just kind of put it through the chains, and then you use the jump rings on all of these. So these are all part of the collection, and all of it can be turned into charms. So let me show you some more. Here is our little skull. So I'll just put it here like pumpkins. I love this little boot here. So everything I used, what came in here. And here's my tip for you. I did not break this apart. I am going to use it as is, not breaking it, because these are such tiny things that you need that I decided to just use it like this. I pass it through my machine, and if you want just one, you just put the paper under the one that you want and you cut it through. I actually cut everything in one go. Makes it very easy if you keep it like this together. And that's what I did. I put some silver paper underneath, pass it through my machine, and I got everything that I wanted. So look at these. Oh my gosh, I just love it. See this little skull here. Here's the big one that I showed you in the beginning. My beautiful crow. So everything now, if you buy this die set here, you can turn everything into charms. Here's a little one. We have this beautiful net here, and I added, we also have two sizes of spiders. And oh, this, let me show you these two keys here. They're so cool. These are the keys. Here's the little one. So wonderful die set, and an absolute complete collection in my opinion. This is one of the best collections I've ever seen, and I really hope you get it. I'll have the link below for you, okay? So now that I've shown everything, we're going to look at the gift bag. And here I have two beautiful gift bags, treat bags actually, for you to see using this collection. So let's just walk through. We just saw the full collection, and as you can see here, I added a pocket here at the bottom, so we have a place for either a card, a gift card. Fill it up with your treats. See how I use the charms here and everything that you've just seen. So a lot of options here. We have a clip. This is the full gift bag, all decorated. I have the chain here, a little bit of the skull, so giving you a few ideas on how to use the charms as well. So that's one gift bag. And here's the other one where I used my favorite bow of all times with this little ghost, and also the web with a few spiders coming out. There is the gift bag, and I will have in a few days the tutorial on how to put these together, okay? So the other side is the face, and there you are. So I used all the collection here, well, not all of it, but at least parts of it for you to see how beautiful this collection is and how you can use it in so many different ways. I am just in love with this because from now on I'll be using these things in all my gift boxes and gift bags, and I'll give you some more ideas on how to use those charms, okay? So that is the full collection for you. Use the link below. If for example, you click on the gift bag and on Amazon it doesn't show, it means it's sold out. They sell out really fast, but I will also have the link to AliExpress, okay? Thank you so much, and you have a wonderful day.